Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have another video for you guys. This is my first wash day of the year, so I decided to film it. I'm going to be showing you guys the entire process: washing, deep conditioning, hydrating, moisturizing, braiding, takedown, everything. And I'm also going to be trying out some new products. So if you're not already subscribed, go ahead and click that subscribe button down below, and let's jump straight into the video. Okay, so this is my hair pre-wash. There's a lot of what do you call it, edge, and is it gel? It's gel, right? Yeah, there's a lot of braid gel in my hair because for the past couple of weeks my hair has been in like twists and passion twists and stuff. So I have a lot of gel, braid gel, that really thick braid gel in my hair, so I need to get a lot of that out. So we're going to start with cleansing first. Okay, so we are starting with cleansing. I am just soaking my hair with water, warm water, because warm water helps to remove like dirt, excess oils, butters, all those things in your hair. So this is the cleanser, the Rasul Clay and Honey Cleansing Wash with mongongo oil and yucca roots. Now you see the nozzle on this thing. I love when a shampoo comes with this nozzle because it just makes application so easy, especially for people with thicker hair. I absolutely love, so that's already a plus for me. Now this is the consistency of the shampoo. So it's a foaming moisturizing cleanser, and now mind you, this is a Rasul Clay and Honey cleanser. Normally clay cleansers don't foam, so I like that they formulated this one to foam, because you know how like some people just like that foaming sensation, so that it feels like they're really cleansing and really washing their hair, and it just makes the product easier to spread around your hair and everything. So yes, you guys will see as I apply it, as you can see, it is starting to foam, so it just makes it easier to spread around your hair. It's a sulfate-free shampoo, and another thing I noticed about it is that it doesn't strip your hair. So you know how when you wash your hair with some shampoos, they kind of make your hair feel dry and stripped, kind of like straw or rubber sometimes. But this doesn't do that. It doesn't make your hair feel dry or stripped. So it doesn't like take out all the natural oils from your hair. It still keeps a good amount of oil in your hair, so that your hair doesn't tangle too much while you're washing. So basically what I do is that I apply the shampoo, rake it through my hair. When I'm done, twist up that section and go to another section. It's a very gentle cleanser, and it's sulfate free. I don't know if I mentioned that before, but if you're one of those people that likes to like wash every week, you can definitely use this weekly and not worry about it drying out or stripping your hair. Now I said it contains Rasul Clay, and Rasul Clay is a type of clay that basically draws impurities from your hair and scalp while it conditions your hair, so it leaves your hair feeling soft and shiny. Unlike bentonite clay is usually the harsher one that makes your hair feel dry. So a lot of times, like for cleansers, Rasul Clay is normally used because it's not as harsh as bentonite clay. It cleanses your hair and doesn't strip or dry your hair. Yucca roots, another of the ingredients, is also a cleansing ingredient as well, and it is antibacterial and also rich in vitamins and minerals. There is also honey as well, which is anti-inflammatory, antibacterial, and a humectant, which helps to draw moisture to your hair. So this is a pretty good range of ingredients to have in a shampoo. Now I'm just rinsing everything out, and we're going to go straight into deep conditioning next. Now this deep conditioner, the fenugreek and honey conditioning mask with nilotica shea butter, aloe vera, and mafura oil. Let me just say this now, this is my favorite ingredient in 9. Can you see how soft and creamy this thing is? Just look at how soft and nice it is. Imagine that in your hair. This thing feels like butter when you put it on your hair, I kid you not. And it makes deep conditioning and detangling so easy. I'm one of those people that loves to finger detangle. You guys know that. I don't like to use combs and brushes on my hair. So I absolutely love when a deep conditioner has enough slip to where it just like slides on my strands and makes it super easy to detangle. I'm going to show you guys my detangling process in this video. How I just easily slide my strands and remove shed hair, remove tangles and everything. Just see how, do you see how easy it was for that strand to come out? Depending on the type of deep conditioner I use, it can take me about 5 to 6 minutes to detangle one section. I kid you not. Finger detangling does take time, but I've been doing it for a long time, so I'm kind of used to it. But when I know a deep conditioner is really good for me is when it takes me about 3 to 4 minutes maximum to detangle, and this section took me about 3 minutes. The thicker sections took me about 3.5 to 4 minutes. So it basically helped me cut out 2 to 3 minutes from my detangling time per section. So that was really nice. It was so easy for me to remove tangles, remove shed hair, as you guys can see. And yeah, it just made my detangling process much faster. Yeah, if you like to use combs and brushes, definitely go ahead and do that. The deep conditioner slides on your strands enough to where using combs and brushes will not cause you excess breakage or anything like that. The deep conditioner, as well as the other products in the line, are free of silicones, mineral oil, phthalates, petroleum, and artificial fragrances. So yeah, all it's very healthy ingredients used, very healthy and ethically sourced ingredients that are used in the products. Now I'm done applying the deep conditioner. I'm just going to let it sit. Tie a plastic bag on my head and just go let it sit for an hour so it soaks in properly and conditions my hair. Okay, now I've rinsed out the deep conditioner from my hair and we're going to go straight into moisturizing. So they have two moisturizers. There is the Velvet Sheer Hibiscus Butter and there is the Velvet Sheer Moisture Cream. I'm going to show you guys the consistency of both. So this is what the hibiscus butter looks like. As you can see, as the name implies, it is a thick butter. And then this is what the moisture cream looks like. So it's a lot lighter, almost like the consistency of the deep conditioner. So this is the one that's really going to soak deeply into your hair. I guess that's why they call this one the moisture cream, but yeah. I wasn't sure which of them I wanted to use. So I ended up deciding to just go with both. Because why not? But on a serious note though, I'm going to combine them in a way that both will be able to work for my hair. So I'm going to be applying the moisture cream first. I'm going to be applying a good amount of that, letting that soak into my hair. Then I'm just going to be applying a little tiny amount of the hibiscus butter on top of that to basically seal in everything. So I'm going to be using the moisture cream as kind of like a leave-in conditioner, even though it's a moisturizer. I apply more of the moisture cream and then just use a tiny amount, just very tiny finger size amount of the butter as a sealant to just basically keep everything in. My hair is low porosity, so it likes light creams like the moisture cream because it's just easier to soak into my strands, and my hair really absorbs products like that really well. At the same time, I also have very coarse and thick strands, so butters also do well in my hair, especially when I'm going for like added softness normally. And this has always been the case. Even when I was first natural, I used to use like raw shea butter. Butters just give my hair an extra softness and shine because they really help to soften my strands. I can get away with using only the moisture cream by itself, but if I just want that extra softness, then I go ahead and add a butter. In this case, I'll be adding the hibiscus butter. So it just depends on your hair. Everybody's hair is different. You know your hair and you know how products work in your hair, so use the products accordingly. You can use either the moisture cream or the hibiscus butter. You can combine them. It just depends on you, honestly. The moisture cream contains nilotica shea butter, marshmallow root, and mafura oil, and it's good for detangling as well in addition to moisture. And the hibiscus butter contains nilotica shea butter, hibiscus, and mongongo oil. Now I'm done braiding. I'm just going to let everything soak in and we'll come back and take down the braids later. So I actually left my braids in for about 3 to 4 days before taking them down. I haven't re-moisturized or anything. All I've done is basically sleep with a satin scarf. Now I'm just going to be putting some of the scalp elixir on my hands before I take down my hair. Now this is an oil mix, as you guys can see the ingredients. It's basically an oil for your scalp, but I didn't really use a lot of it because you guys know I don't like to put oil on my scalp. But yeah, if you have like dry scalp, it's definitely nice for your scalp, and it contains peppermint oil that helps to stimulate blood flow. So it helps to create a nice environment on your scalp that will promote healthy hair growth. Now, one thing I noticed as I was taking out my hair is that my hair was still very much moisturized while I was taking down the braids. I honestly didn't even need to add oil on my hands. As I was taking it down, I could still feel the moisture in my hair. So these products definitely soaked into my hair very, very well, especially that moisture cream. They soaked my hair, absorbed my hair, drank the products. So yeah, my hair felt super moisturized, and as you can see, my hair has really nice definition. But I'm still eventually going to fluff everything out because you guys know whenever I do braid outs, I like to really fluff my hair. But I'm done taking down my braids now and I'm just stretching. My hair feels so healthy. It feels healthy, it feels strong, and there is this like extra thickness to it that I really like. Normally my hair is thick, but there's this extra thick feeling that I'm getting in my hair that I really, really like. So after I'm done stretching, honestly I just wanted to leave the braid out like this, but I couldn't resist the urge to fluff everything out. See, it's already looking nice like this, right? I know. Anyways, now I'm just gonna go ahead and separate my hair. and fluff out my hair until it's big enough for me. Also, because my hair was very moisturized, it was actually very easy for me to fluff my hair out without breakage or anything like that. So I'm just fluffing and fluffing, and my hair is getting bigger. I like to fluff out my braid out so my hair looks really, really huge. But my hair felt so soft. Oh god, my hair felt amazing. I absolutely love the way this braid out turned out. Okay guys, so this is the final result of my braid outs, guys. My hair looks absolutely amazing. My hair looks and feels amazing. I can tell that the products really soaked into my hair. There are no white particles or anything like that. The products really did soak in deep, and I don't know, there is this like thickness to my hair. I mean, normally my hair is thick, but there is this extra thickness I'm feeling. Like, it feels like the hair really soaked up the product. So it's not like it's weighing down my hair or anything. It just makes my hair feel like, I don't know, it just makes my hair feel stronger, makes my hair feel thicker, and I really, really like the feeling. This is about 3-4 days after I did the braids initially. I haven't re-moisturized or anything, and my hair was still very, very moisturized while I was taking down the braids. My hair just, it feels, oh god, it feels amazing. My hair just feels and looks so nice and thick. I rarely leave my braid out just like this. I usually like put it in a style, but I really, really love how it looks. I love how it feels, so I just want to leave it like this. I keep looking at myself in the screen, but this I love how my hair turned out. These products are good. These are really good products. The quality is amazing. I haven't been this excited for like trying out new products in a while. I honestly wasn't expecting the products to perform like this. I thought they were gonna be like, you know, all these good generic products, like these products that they're not bad, they're just okay, they're just there, they're just good. I mean, they're good products, you can use them and you won't have problems with them, but you know that you can find better on the market. But if you don't want to stress yourself, you can just like use those products and still be fine. So I thought it was going to be like that, but actually using these products, they went beyond my expectations. And the interesting thing about this line is that, you know how sometimes like whenever there's a product launch or something like that, a lot of brands usually make products that work better kind of for people with like looser hair, and then the rest of us on like the tighter spectrum kind of figure out what we can use in the line and how we can tweak the products to make it work for our hair. But this line was actually formulated with type 4 hair as the primary target, and when you use the products you can actually tell. Overall, this is a very, very good line, well put together line. You can tell like there was a lot of thought into formulating these products with ingredients used and everything. All the products that I really tried, the shampoo, the moisture cream, the butter, the deep conditioner, I truly loved all of them. I would definitely recommend them. For anyone that's looking for new products to try, definitely check Enkay Naturals out. Their products are really nice, and if you've tried the products out before, let me know your thoughts down below. Yeah, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. You guys, my hair is amazing. Like, my hair just looks amazing. I'm gonna look for somewhere to go, even though it's snowing like crazy outside right now, but I'm gonna go somewhere because this cannot waste. This cannot waste today. Yeah, let me know what you guys think down below in the comment section. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. You can subscribe to my channel by clicking the subscribe button down below on my face on this side. Also, do not forget to watch my other natural hair videos on this side. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.